Hey guys, Steve here. Today I wanted to get on and show you a real quick YouTube. It's not really a hack, but it's a way that you can just save a lot of time inputting your descriptions on all your YouTube videos. Okay. Basically, I'm gonna show you an example real quick of this video I just made, and you don't need to hear the video, so I will pause it. But you see down here all of this description here. Sometimes, I don't know. When I first started doing it, I would just copy it and paste it onto like a notepad, right? And every time I made a video, I would paste it on there because, of course, I didn't know any better. I don't know of all the tips and tricks. But as I've been learning how to do YouTube videos and put stuff on, I came and just messing around in the back office. I saw that you can do a lot of other things. So what I'm gonna do is show you how to use the default description. You just need to create your description one time, and then anytime you upload a video, the description or title is automatically populated. Okay, so what you do here is you go to your channel, right? And then you go to YouTube Studios, you click there. And as it's thinking about going there, then you come down here to, on the left-hand side, you come down here to customizations. I think it's customizations. Now I just forgot what I clicked. I think it's settings. No, it's settings, sorry. It's under settings. And then you go to upload defaults. And right here is where you put your defaults at. So it makes it easy. So once you come up with a perfect title that you want your videos to have, right? Which is always a variable, so I wouldn't even populate that. But as far as your descriptions, that you just, as simple as like just grabbing this here, right? I'll put this, I'll take that, and I'll put that here. Now that could be a description for many, many different videos because it mostly talks about what I'm always talking about. The best $7 system, the Simple Freedom Club, and how to promote any offer if you text and make $100 over and over again. That is a description that I have on all of my videos. But of course, there's a lot more. But as an example, I just want to show you that. So you copy your description here, and any tags that you see that are what do you call it? That are heavy hitters or whatever the word is, like tags like these here. Like I can take this here. These are excellent tags that I've used and I've optimized so I can get a lot of value points or whatever using vidIQ or whatever. So I can copy all of these and then I can come back to where I was, and under tags, I just paste them here. Now these tags will always be uploaded on every video that I add, because most of my videos are talking about making money online, the Simple Freedom Club, the Power Lead System. So I would just add those tags there. I would select visibility. I want them always to be private. I can select that. I will hit save. So anytime I upload a video, the only thing I would have to change is the title. And all my videos I upload would have all of this description, always be public, and always have these like highly optimized tags, right? So that's it. I just wanted to show you a way to make it a little bit easier for you to upload videos when you're creating new content, so you don't have to go line by line adding all your descriptions and trying to get it all right and fix the format each and every time. This is just a simple way so you can be more efficient at it and make it a little faster for you to upload videos. Okay. Well, and there's also this other advanced setting that you can do the same thing. Check all the prerequisites, the pre-requirements that you want. And, once you set that, you save. And any video you add after that point will have those preset parameters. Okay. So anyway, that's all that I got. As always, if you enjoyed or appreciate this content, like, share, subscribe. Got any comments? Drop them in the box. Thanks for hanging out. I'm out.